Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the motor of your DYSON SV14 vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll walk through the entire process to ensure you can get your vacuum back to optimal performance. Let's begin. Tools you'll need: a T10 torque screwdriver, a T15 torque screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a soft brush or vacuum attachment for cleaning, safety goggles, a soft cloth. Step 1. Preparation. Before you start, make sure to unplug your DYSON SV14. Ensure you wear safety goggles to protect your eyes during disassembly. Step 2. Disassembling the vacuum. Using the T10 torque screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the vacuum. There are typically 5 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Gently pull off the back panel to expose the internal components. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the task or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make repairs hassle-free. Step 3. Accessing the motor. Next, you'll need to remove the motor cover. Use the T15 torque screwdriver for this step. Unscrew the 4 screws that secure the motor cover and carefully lift it off. Here's where your small flathead screwdriver may come in handy to gently pry if the cover is stuck. Step 4. Cleaning the interior. Before we access the motor, it's a good idea to clean the interior. Use a soft brush or vacuum attachment to clean any dust or debris accumulations. A clean workspace can prevent future issues and maintain the vacuum's efficiency. Step 5. Removing the old motor. Now we're ready to remove the old motor. Locate the screws holding the motor in place, typically around 3 screws. Unscrew these with your T15 screwdriver and gently lift the motor out. Be careful with any wiring attached. You may need to disconnect a couple of connectors. If you're unsure about this, you can reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 6. Installing the new motor. Take your new motor and carefully position it where the old one was located. Secure the motor by tightening the screws you previously removed. It's critical that this component is firmly in place for optimal functionality. If you prefer, you can also get a quote before repair from our service to compare costs. Step 7. Reassembling the vacuum. Now it's time to reassemble your DYSON SV14. Replace the motor cover, ensuring it fits snugly, and secure it with the screws. Then replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and screwing it back into place. Step 8. Final checks. After reassembling, we recommend performing a visual inspection to ensure everything is secured properly. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on to test. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate something is out of place. By following these steps, you have successfully replaced the motor in your DYSON SV14 vacuum. If you ever need assistance, remember, we're here to help with no calls, no travel, and an easy process that values your time. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.